Hi guys, welcome back to another live stream. So guys, today I just wanted to talk about gold. Yesterday I think I just left a live stream that was supposed to help you trade within 5 minutes time frame, trading with algo. So right now I had to talk about our trade. Guys, remember that these lines that you can see over here, the support, resistance, the trend lines and everything, all these I drew them for quite some time now, and we've been following the trend of gold for a long period of time. So this is how it looks like in 1 day time frame. And yeah, so what I wanted to do today was to show you what's gonna happen in the market after yesterday. After the NFP on Friday, you can see like the kind of move that we had on Friday after the NFP. It was kind of a great move upwards, meaning the dollar was weak, and the dollar was weak on a Friday, and that's why we could see like a strong move upwards. So right now we can see the market is correcting itself, and this is on a 1 day time frame. So guys, one thing I know is this level over here has to be tested. Whether we like it or not, it will have to be tested. It might not be today, tomorrow, but you'll see this level being tested. That is one thing I know, because these levels over here has already been tested. So what to expect in the market today? For me, I'll be looking for more sells, because guys, we can see this was one of our support and resistance levels that we had drawn, and you can see that this pattern did not go, the candlesticks did not go beyond this. The only time it did that was around this zone over here, but then this clearly shows that we might still be on a downward trend, because this one did not go up to create, like, maybe did not come up to this level to show like some pattern. For me, basically, if this would have come to this level, I would have changed my decision about a downward trend and started focusing on maybe an upward trend. But then we can see like it did not come to this zone. That is, I'm talking about zone 1728, zone 1730. So it did not make it to this zone over here. So yeah, we are still at zone 1680 if I'm not wrong. 1680 has been one of our most interesting zones for quite some time. If you look at the history of gold, you'll notice the same. 1680 has been one of the interesting zones even before. If you go back, I don't think if I should, yeah. So this zone has been tested for quite some time. Around this zone over here, the market comes down to this zone and goes up, and right now we have the market coming up to that zone and coming down. And so what to expect in the market today, guys? You can still see I still have the trending lines with breaks. They kind of help you know where the market might drop to, where the market will be going to. So yeah, so guys, this is how it looks like. Just zooming in, I don't know if it's zooming out or zooming in, we just lost it around that zone. Yeah, so today this is 1 day time frame. Let me just go to 4 hours. Oh, looks bad. Didn't expect this kind of move, but for me, I'll be expecting a downward trend for quite some time to around this zone over here, before maybe I see some retest around this zone over here, that is 1668, which is also one of our most interesting zones. So 1668, I'll be watching out for that zone, and then maybe zone 1659. So those are some of the zones that I'll be watching out for. If the market is going to correct itself to a lower time frame, then those are some of the zones that I'm going to be looking out for. And yeah, let me just try and check. Currently I've drawn a lot of lines in different, yeah, so I'll be looking out for this zone over here. So 1668, 1616. Let me just have a small drawing. So guys, this is one of the zones I will put my eyes on. Yeah, this one, just to see what's going to happen in the market. Apparently, for me, I strongly believe we're still on a downward trend unless proven otherwise. So those who entered the market yesterday when it started selling, I guess you guys are in a lot of profits at the moment, because this is literally gold. I believe like you are in profits. So this is one of the zones that will be tested. If the market decides to go downward beyond this, I'll be watching out for this zone over here, which is 1645, 1659. There is 1659. Yeah, along these lines. Can you see the green line, the trend lines with, let me try and wait, I just want to try and increase the, not that one. Ta da 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 da. Let me try and increase the, yeah, or should I put it this way? Yeah, this one is better. This one is better. Let me do the same for the red one. Okay, so guys, I don't know if you can see these green dotted lines. So around this zone over here on the green candlestick, this is also one of the zones that I'll be watching out for, like in terms of sales. These are some of the zones that I expect to see, like maybe the market coming to, or maybe the market testing these zones. I know some of you are asking themselves like, why that zone? But for me, one trick I came to learn about these trend lines with algo, trend lines with break by algo, trend lines with break by algo. There's some of the zones, but just like they're in form of dots, that if you look at them, when like these dotted lines cross like one engulfing candlestick, that zone that it has crossed might be one of the zones that has like an interest, some of the critical zones for gold. So look, if you want to do more research, you can Google like some critical zones for gold, and you'll be able to find out. Let me see, I don't know if I have them. If I have, yeah, this guy always has some zones. This one's for not really. Okay, we can see he has like 1655. I have like 1659, not too much points apart. You can see like we have like some supports and some resistance around these zones, 1654, 52, 52. So this is his analysis on gold, some of the critical zones that people have been looking out for. So that is just his analysis, and we also have these. it keeps doing this, it keeps updating some of the critical zones. And guys, you can see here we have 1659 -0 to 93. So you can always come here and just have a look at what's happening in the market, some of the zones that are really critical, some of the zones that have been tested by the moving average, some of the technical indicators that he is using. And yeah, so this is just a gold chart. We kind of show some of the zones that have been tested like multiple times. And yeah, so the other side, you're back. So this is one of the zones that you should be looking for. If the market keeps dropping, it might drop to this zone over here, which is 1666 or 1668. Though you all know that market is not perfect, there will be some movement upwards and downwards before actually reaching to this zone. So make sure you take your position and take your risk wisely. Do not overtrade, do not take a lot of positions when you're not sure. And depending on your account size, make sure you're trading using the right, like 1% risk. Take just 1% risk to your total amount of money, your equity, something of the sort. I don't know how to say it right now because I'm quite in a rush. I just wanted to give a preview of what to expect in the market before actually heading anywhere. So yeah, so these are some of the zones that I've marked. I don't know, maybe I should just leave a text. Like zone, all in caps. The zone 1, all in blue. So yeah. So this is one of my zone 1. And this one will be my zone 2, if I'm not wrong. Zone 2. So this is our zone 2, not actually there, but there's one. So these, let me just have it over here. So these are some of the zones that you'll be looking for. Let me see if I can increase the size. Guys, I've just listed the zone 1, zone 2. It's going to take time to get to those points, but one thing I know, I'm strong on sale when it comes to gold at the moment, and I'll be watching out for this zone. This one is being tested already, this one over here. So most probably this one over here, this is what I'm looking forward to. And from there we'll be able to see how the market is going to play out. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Just an overview of one of the zones. This is 1666 and also 1659. Guys, you can watch out for that. We are already in 1670. 1670 is also one of the zones that is always so critical when it comes to gold. Some of the most important zones for gold. Let me just mark it. Oh, come on. Yeah. So these are some of the zones that are really interesting when it comes to trading gold. You gotta mark them and just have a look at what happening. So guys, I think that's it for today. Until maybe late in the evening or a day after, let's see how the week is going to take us. I'll be able to analyze the chart. I'll be able to give a preview of what really happened in the market. Remember, this is trading on a 4-hour candlestick, so it might take time. If you're trading like in a 5 minutes candlestick, I understand like right now you'll be able to see like some movement up and down, and yeah, so the same I think might be applying to, yeah, the same is applying to BTC. This is 1 hour. Guys, you can see this, the market went up and it's racing to come down to this zone over here. It's already tested this zone, one of the most interesting zones. So with this kind of movement, guys, this kind of movement, you will be expecting some upward movement maybe later on, not now, but after all the levels have been tested. You can see this kind of movement, it hasn't really been tested yet, but yeah, so you can always mark some of the interesting zones and see what might happen in the market. This one was one of it. Those are some of the zones that I've got a mark at the moment. Then as we come down, you'll notice these around 18653 also being one of the most interesting zones. And yeah, so guys, we've seen the market kind of consolidating between two faces for quite some time now, and people are waiting for a breakout, either going upwards and down or even downwards. We were expecting some breakout last week on Friday, last week generally, but still the market did not give us what we really expected. So we are still playing, we're still like in a range, some sort of a range in the market. You can see some sort of a range in the market, so we don't know how long that's just going to take, but you'll be able to see some movement. Guys, when I'm talking about a range, you can see this kind of a movement. We're not crossing above this line. We haven't crossed above this line for quite some time now, and we haven't really crossed below this line for quite some time. So we are in a place where we are expecting to see maybe some movement, some change in the market, some great push in the market, but we haven't really gone in there yet. So we keep trading, keep analyzing your charts, and hopefully you make something out of it. So let's see how gold is gonna play out, and yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this playing for quite some time, for a few like 30 minutes or so, or maybe I should put it in a 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes will be favorite, probably 5 minutes, so just leave it at 4. So guys, this is when we talk about a breakout using trend lines with algo, trend lines with break by algo, sorry, you can see there has been a breakout for this line, though it is not so definite. That's why you can see the line is not as thick as it should be. It's still dotted, but you can see the market coming down. So these are some of the zones that I've marked. We are in this zone already. We are waiting for it to drop to this zone, which is 1665. So let's see how this is going to play out. Just leave it for now. Go and prepare for work. So guys, if you're just joining our live stream, you can see that it has already broken out. Wow, we can see another candlestick. We're headed to this zone that we already marked as our zone 1, which is 1666. Okay, this is one of the zones that we're looking or watching out for. So let's see how this candlestick is going to play out. Hopefully don't finish before it gets to target to this zone. So let's see how this is going to play out. If you took a sell position, I hope you're already blue. You're already in blues. There is no reds.